Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedrilla. Let's do your reading for the month of December 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Taurus. Yeah, you might be connecting with flowers like blue flower or red or orange flowers. You might be connecting with Virgo also and maybe Capricorn person. Because Virgo got this card and they got a similar message where they're dealing with Capricorn, they're teaching Capricorn people. So you might be connecting with either Capricorn or Virgo, strongly Virgo. And getting Pentacles as your first card is always good, Taurus, because Taurus is an earth sign. And it signifies that in your career you'll move into another level. Like if you are studying, you'll go to another, you'll progress further. And if you're in a business, you'll earn more. It'll try to compound. It'll start compounding in the month of December. There are few cards which have fallen down. I've seen Daughter of Pentacles and Father of Swords. I will not take that. But again, Father of Swords, Virgo has got. So you might be dealing with Virgo. You might be connecting with them. Yeah, Daughter of Swords. You might be connecting with Libra also because it's a sword, and you might be connecting with a Libra who is quite not mature, you know. Like, of course, yeah. We got Father of Swords, so you have a friend who has a Libra placement who is quite mature, but at the same time, because you got Father of Swords, but this is Daughter of Swords. You also have a Libra person who is quite immature, and you might be connecting with them also. And this can be related to something who helps you to go in another level in your career. Okay, so if you are studying, this might be teachers. If you are in a business, this might be a business partner. Okay. Of course, nowadays teachers are quite immature. 8 of Cups. Yeah, you'll try to understand few things, something to do with emotional situations, because Cups is broken here, and you'll get to know this while you're pursuing your education. If you're a student, or if you're in a business, you'll understand something which is quite painful and emotional while you're pursuing your business. Okay, it's a simple way to put it out. Hierophant, yeah. You will learn a lot. You'll become quite spiritual. It starts to happen. This spiritual awakening starts to happen in the month of December. The key will be presented to you. The key will be kind of delivered to you, but it's your decision to receive the key and open the door where you have to go. Or yeah, it depends on that. Okay. Some people take the key and keep it with them. They won't open the door. Some people take the key, they'll wait for some time and they open the door. Some people, as soon as they get the key, they'll open the door. It depends, right? So, but the key comes. In this case, the Hierophant. This raven or crow, I don't know, raven I think, tries to deliver the key with the help of the thunder, which is the universe. And quite few elements are there. Okay. Hierophant is a major arcana, that's the reason. Universe tries to bring you the knowledge, which is the key. And it is your decision to use the knowledge, which is the key, and open a new door in your life. Okay. Temperance. Yeah, that is something which is very useful. This knowledge is something which is very useful to balance your life. Temperance card. You'll understand why you're facing these emotions, why you're facing this fiery energy, why are you feeling angry, why are you feeling emotional. You'll understand it once you take the key and open it, and open to this new door. Okay. This will be like an awakening. You'll get a spiritual awakening. You'll understand why this 8 of Cups can happen. And I feel like you will move, and it's time to move. I feel like it is better if you move. Okay. and your career also will progress a lot because you got exactly below Seven of Pentacles. You'll progress in your career as you're moving with the Chariot to find the answers towards these questions, which is kind of like, as I told you, why are you feeling emotional? Why are you feeling angry? These answers will be known to you when you search for them. Okay, universe tries to give a little bit of information and see if this person is really liking it, because if you don't like the information, then there is no use of learning that information. Maybe there is something better for you, but universe tries to provide some kind of information, and if you really like that, if you really are drawn to that, you have to move. Okay, so now this Pentacle is your career. You should try to increase your money also if you go, because you can see a pentacle over here in the pendant. You can say pendant or necklace or a jewelry of this horse which is wearing. There's a pentacle. This is the same pentacle as you're seeing here. So as you move, you'll carry the knowledge that you gained. You'll move towards this also, and it will compound there itself. There also, I can feel guidance of the universe is definitely there. Many cards were fallen down. I'll not take that, but wait. Yeah, few major cards have fallen down. I think I should not tell this, but yeah, few major cards. Okay, so I feel like you're quite imbalanced also. There's something that needs to clear up. Okay, something which is claustrophobic and cluster in your mind. It keeps repeating. You're not able to move. Something which is blocking. You're not able to move. You're not able to experience life happily like a normal person. Especially at this age, you might feel something like that. So moving with the Chariot, see, universe will guide you. The moon is over the forehead and the sunlight also at the back. Okay, it's almost like universe is looking at where you're going, and also making sure that no one attacks or everything is fine in the background also, which is the sunlight. Okay, this sunlight works in a unique way where it casts the light in all directions. So it's not only emitting the light in the front, it's also emitting in the back, so vice versa. Okay, so that's the reason it's looking at the back, the sun, and also it's casting a light in the front and back also. So if you're facing at any direction, light will be there. Okay, that's the main purpose of sun being like that, in casting light in all directions. Six of Swords. Yeah, see, now you'll move into a different destination. This swords, there'll be a reason, there'll be a summary. You'll come to a conclusion why this pain is happening, and you'll reach towards this rainbow, and this is something which is destined for you. Will you open the door and look at the rainbow, or will you not open the door and stay in the darkness? It's up to you. The sunshine, the rainbow is there when you take the key and open the door, which is the knowledge. Five of Wands. I was about to tell the same thing. There'll be few blockages, like the swords. You have to jump from the swords and reach the rainbow. And the Five of Wands is nothing but blockages. There'll be haters. There'll be few things which will block you. Okay, but when you move through that, that's when. Okay, see, when we are performing few tasks, there'll be a lot of distractions. There'll be times when it won't succeed, but the people who pass that stage of failure at one point of time, they'll succeed. Okay, if the reason we are using these light bulbs is because this light bulb, it took a lot of time to manifest. It failed a lot of times, but that person never gave up, right? That's the reason we have these light bulbs, and we have to be grateful for that. But yeah, we are kind of, again, I won't give a lot of credit to light bulbs because they emit kind of like blue light, which is not good for us, and this is a way that they control us. But anyways, we are protected by the universe. There's a torus field. If you connect with that, then you will be protected. Anyways, Hanged Man. Wow, coming next to Hierophant, I mean coming after 5 of Wands. You'll be very, very enlightened in the month of December. Very, very enlightened. You'll be amazed. You'll look things in a different perspective, Hanged Man, because bat, no, it tries to see things in a different perspective. It uses its vocals to maneuver over objects because it can't see. It uses its vocals to maneuver over objects. So it uses its vocals, which will bounce back, and if it bounces back, depending on the vibration and timing, it knows that the object is nearby and it tries to maneuver. That's how bat maneuver and move. Okay, so you try to use it in a different perspective. You see things in a different perspective. Hanging also, seeing things upside down, seeing things in a different perspective. Okay, that's what will happen. You'll be very enlightened. Coming below Hierophant, as I told, you should be very fortunate and lucky. Yeah, it will help you to stand out in the crowd and also motivate many people towards you. Motivate many smaller kids, many smaller people. If you really gain the insight from the Hanged Man and walk, right, you will immediately stand out. When you get out of this Hanged Man position and really utilize it, even you don't have to utilize it, even though if you just keep it in your mind and try to know the answers in your mind and believe in that, it's enough. You'll automatically lit the fire, you'll stand out in the crowd, many people will see you, you'll attract many people, and you can motivate many people. You have the capacity is what I'm saying. Okay, bottom of the deck, Taurus, you got Death, which represents transformation. Death is a transformation. So yeah, your soul is going through a transformation, because you can see bottom of the deck is inner deep feeling, and coming Death card represents your soul is requesting for transformation. It is trying to make connections with many people and trying to make sure that you get messages and information in that way. So your soul is trying to transform. It wants to shed the old skin, and this is the skeleton, right? So there's a transformation happening in the month of December for you. That's it. That's it. It's transformation, big transformation. It depends on you. If you like the key, if you think that this key will be very heavy, okay? I mean, this meaning that information will be heavy, very heavy. It might seem like this is quite difficult to understand. Meaning that when key is heavy, it's quite difficult to lift. Meaning that information will be quite difficult to understand. It might seem that way, but you have the strength to lift the key. Meaning you have the strength to understand it. Okay, so don't get influenced in that way. Don't try to understand in that way. Okay, so yeah, it can help you in balancing your life if you move forward. That's all I can say. There'll be hurdles, as I told. There'll be jealous people, of course, in the road. People say it's not what you think it is, etc., etc. Or people can say anything. Okay, but this is a test. When people come and say things, it's a test, because the universe doesn't want people to learn secrets of the universe and get influenced by others and try to again forget about it. Universe doesn't like that. It will test you whether you listen to people when people say things. Okay, because it wants you to believe in that. Belief comes when you really believe yourself. It's not that belief doesn't come when someone says that. Okay, when 10 people say, it doesn't mean that. When 10 people say a phone is good, it doesn't mean that the phone is good. Okay, it might be bad. Who knows? But if you believe that phone is good, then maybe, because you're using your intuition, you're using your logical mind, and then. But again, if you don't believe and just trust them blindly that okay, 10 people are saying it's good, let me buy that phone, even though you quite don't know about it. But if you get a sensation that it's good, even though 10 people say it's not good, that means it might be good. So yeah, trust your gut feeling, trust your intuition always. That's all I have for you, Taurus. Awakening is happening, spiritual awakening. And yeah, as I said, it's your decision to open the door with the key. That's all I have for you, Taurus. If you'd like the reading, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get notified anytime I upload a video. And if you'd like a personal reading, because this readings I'm doing on YouTube is for the collective, anyone who has Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter as Taurus in a placement of their birth chart. But if in case you want to gain access to your own energies and get a reading based on the particular placement you have, and get a reading from me, you can check out this poster. I do tarot readings, astrological readings, life coaching and daily readings. All my services are mentioned there along with the price range, and my contact details also are mentioned. And yeah, I'll reach out to you as soon as possible if you connect with me in Facebook or either in call. Yeah, until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you, Taurus.